Hello and hi friends, my name is Suresh Chauhan and you are watching my channel Tech. So friends, today in this video we're gonna fix this issue of Zoom network error, which comes with an error, Zoom submits internet connection error. So first of all, for this issue you just need to go on the startup menu. On the startup menu on the search program, you just need to type CMD. It is the command prompt. So you just have to right click on the command prompt, then you have to run it as an administrator. Then you have to give access for the command to work by clicking on yes. Now you can see the interference of command prompt as open. Now you just need to type some commands which were like this. I will also give this commands in the description box, you can copy from there also, otherwise you can type by watching this video. So the first command is net sh space int space ip space reset, then space c colon backward slash, then you just then you have to type RESETLOG.TXT. Then you just need to press enter. Now you can see that restarting global is okay, restarting interference is okay. Now you just need to restart your PC, or otherwise you can wait to complete the other commands also, and you can do it afterwards. So the next command is like this: net sh space WINSOCK space reset. Then again you have to press enter. Successfully reset the WINSOCK catalog. Now you have to type IP config configure backward slash flush DNS. Now you just press enter. Successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. Now you have to open the control panel. Afterward you just need to type it exit over here. Now you just have to go on the control panel of your PC, and then on the control panel you have to click on network and internet. Now network and sharing center, you just have to click on this. Then afterward you have to click on change adapter settings. You can see on the left hand side change adapter settings, you have to click on this. Then afterward you have to right click on that network which you are using. You just need to click on this, and afterward you have to click properties. Whichever network you are using, you just need to click on that. Then afterward you have to select the protocol 4, internet protocol version 4. You have to click on this. Then afterward you have to click on properties again. Now you have to click on use the following DNS server address. You just on the you just have to click on the preferred DNS server first. Then after you have to type 1 again 1, then again 1. Now you have to click on the alternate DNS server. Now you have to type over here 1 0 0 1. Then you have to click on OK. Then you have to close all the functions. Now you just need to restart your PC and see that your problem would definitely resolve by this method. Hope this method worked for you. If this method worked, then please give a like button to this video and even do subscribe my channel for more further videos like this. If you still have the same problem, you can leave your comment on the comment section. Whichever problem we are going through, I will definitely help you out within 24 to 48 hours. Thank you friends. Jai Hind and Vande Mataram. And please don't forget to click on the red subscribe button.